So you go out to your chicken coop and you notice one of your chickens lying on the ground in a hole, partially covered, looking all glassy-eyed and its feet all stretched out, and you think, oh my God, what's going on? Or it's wobbling around and it looks like it's having a seizure. And it looks something like this. Hi, I'm Grace with Bougie Beaks Hen Haven, and this is a dust bath. It's perfectly normal. These chickens are okay. He has to put his crow in there. You see, she's rolling around in the dirt. They've kind of dug themselves out a hole in the ground, and they're sort of scratching and kicking and slinging dirt all over the place. And if you have a white bird, you'll notice that it's like really dirty. See, like he's getting ready to get in there with her and flop around. See him kicking. Sometimes you see just dirt go flying. And then, I don't know, it's... Shut up. See, he's got it all over his wings now. It must be something very enjoyable for them, because sometimes they just look like all dazed out and stuff, you know. But birds do this, chickens do this to help rid themselves of any type of, or prevent parasites, you know, little mice and lice and stuff like that. And it's cool too. The dirt is cool. You know, dogs do this. See, here's Minnie. She's going to scratch her up a spot, and then she's going to lie in it, and she's going to start doing it too. See, she's kind of roughing up the dirt. A lot of people, to minimize the holes in the yard, they will make dust baths specifically for their birds. I will tell you, I've never had any luck with that. And I have used like the best stuff, you know, wood ash. They love ash from a wood burning stove. The best thing I have found is just to take the ashes from a wood burning stove, make sure they're completely cool through and through, and dump them into a hole that they've already decided that they want to wallow in. You make yourself an ash hole, and they'll get in it and sling it. Some people put food grade diatomaceous earth. Other people say that's a no-no. He has just got to be in every single video I do. It makes me crazy. You're such a diva, Cro-Magnon. Anyway, this is a perfectly normal thing, guys. Don't freak out, although it can look a little scary when you first see it. You think your chicken is having a seizure. They'll just lie there. Their feet will be all kicked out, and sometimes they'll be half on their backs, and you think, oh my God, what's going on? It's fine. It's normal, and it's good. It's not good for your flower bed. I'll tell you that right now. It's not good for mowing because there's holes everywhere. Oh boy, he's really getting into it. Don't fear, it's all good. You having fun, babies? Wretched birds. Now, just because your babies are taking a bath doesn't mean they have any parasites, by the way. They do this regularly. Even little tiny bitties will do this. It's just a natural, instinctive thing that they do. I think it's funny to watch them.